Hunter here with another Photoshop tutorial. This time we're going to look at the pen tool, part 2. Last time I left you, we were tracing these shapes. You can trace vector objects by just clicking straight lines, click, 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 click. That's brilliant. You can do curves by clicking and dragging. That's brilliant too. You can do funny curves by clicking and dragging some more. Or you can create waves by clicking and dragging, but this time you hold down Alt and say, I want the line to go this direction. Click and drag, Alt to go in this direction. Click and drag, Alt key to go in this direction. Click and drag. And obviously no Alt. The other tools we looked at were the selection tool, the path selection tool that enable you to select the path and to move the path around. And the direct selection tool, which should enable us to manipulate the points around. So I can actually move the point around or change the Bezier handles. So last time I left you with tracing this shape here, a curve, a straight line, a curve, and a straight line. So let's give you the solution. You click and you, pen tool, new path. You click and you drag upwards. You click and you drag downwards. Now I hold down the Alt key because that controls where the path goes. If you want a straight line, just grab the Bezier handle back to your point. And then click, straight line. Now I'm holding down the left mouse button. Click and I drag downwards. No, look, see, it's not the straight line. So I move that back onto that. I hold down Alt. That says draw the previous line, but the next line goes in this direction. Click and drag, no Alt. Click and drag, no Alt. Now, Alt to change the direction. Because I want it a straight point, I just put it on the point that I'm on. I go to the mouse pointer and then click. Hey presto. Brilliant. Now, the pen tool has lots of different options. If you put a point in that you don't want, say that one there, the backspace will get rid of the last point that you did. Backspace, it's gone. Be very careful about that. You can always undo and bring it back. If you've got a point that you didn't want in your shape, you go to the pen tool and underneath you've got delete anchor point tool. Does exactly what it says on the label. It will delete any point you click on. You know you've got it selected because there's a little minus symbol that appears on the tool, and when you go to it, look, there it is, gone. So be very, very careful. If you want to add a new point, you can do. Selected the add anchor point tool, click, and then I can use the other tools to move it. There's that point, and I can move it back up there and play around with it. So you've got lots of options available to you. What we'll be looking at next time is actually how to create shapes and selections with your path tool. Thank you very much.